guys, for today's video we will replace the CV axle, front CV axle of the 2018 Honda Civic. So the problem for this one is the half shaft has already a grease leak on this side, so we're gonna replace for that one. So before we start that one, we need to remove the CV axle nut here. It's a 34 millimeter. The nut was supposed in here, and we need to remove the steering rack and nut. This one is a 19 millimeter, just connected in here in the knuckle bearing. And then we need to remove the 3 nuts for the lower arm bolt here. It's a 17 millimeter. We need to remove that one, and need to remove the brake caliper bracket. It's a 17 millimeter bolt here too, so just slide this one, go out, and then slide this one, go here, and then you can remove this one. So the part is in here. This front right CV axle and front right half shaft for the axle. So we're gonna replace for that one, and then we need to remove the half shaft over here. There's a 14 millimeter bolt, and see you later, guys. Okay, so if we remove this CV axle, we need to tap on the side, tap with the hammer or some extension rod here, tap it going out, so this one will pop out. So now it's already tapped, so we're gonna remove. Now it's removed already. Okay, so this one, so right there. So this is the CV axle, okay, and this is the new one. Okay, so we're gonna remove the next is the half shaft. This one, we need to remove this 14 millimeter bolt here. Okay, so we now already lost the 14 bolt over here for the half shaft, so we will remove the 3 bolts. Okay, so that's one. So now we already replaced a new half shaft, so this one, so we already installed on the transmission side. So now we will put the 3 bolts 14 millimeter, and the transmission oil need to be refilled, because once when you pull out this half shaft, the transmission oil will goes out, so that's normal. So yeah, transmission. So this is the old CV axle half shaft. So this one will cause a humming noise, and it's really a leak, so need to be replaced. So this is the okay. So now we already installed the intermediate shaft. So we installed already the 3 bolts, the 14 millimeter, so we need to torque in 29 foot-pounds. So we see to 29 foot-pounds. Here you go. One, yeah, 29 foot-pounds. So We're gonna torque for that one. Yeah, that is at 29 foot-pounds. Okay, it's cool.